So dictionary. So now let's see about this data structure dictionary. I'll just start with introduction to dictionaries. So dictionaries, as usual, dictionary is also like other data structures. It's also an unordered collection of items. That means we can have items of any type, like whether integers or strings or booleans. We can have any type of data in these dictionaries, and the items in these dictionaries here are stored in a key value pairs. Like it will have a key and it will have value. That is one item, and the other item will have a key and the value. That is the next item. So like that, we'll have items stored in key value pairs in dictionaries. And the dictionary, the syntax of dictionary is, it will start with curly braces and key. It will start with curly braces and it will have a key followed by a colon and a value. So these are the basic introduction to dictionaries. Now let me open my PyCharm IDE and create a dictionary. So I'm in a PyCharm IDE. I will create a new dictionary. I call mydict equal to, I will have key value pairs. I will say name. I'm trying to give this dictionary as my dictionary. So name and followed by colon and value Avinash, and we have to separate by comma name, and then I'll give country. I'll go India. We can give any values like key 2. I'll give this as value 2. I'll give one more item as key 3. Value 3. So this is a dictionary. I started with open curly brace and ended with closed curly brace. And this is a key, name is a key, and Avinash is a value. Here country is a key, India is a value. Similarly, we can define this dictionary using this name value key pairs. So now let me print this dictionary. And let me run this and see. You can see it's printed name Avinash, country India, key 2, value 2, key 3, value 3. Because it hasn't done anything special, because we have just initialized a dictionary and just printed it out. So in the coming videos, we'll see what are the operations we can perform on dictionaries.